MOOC refers to a route or pattern of getting a content or information available through an online system that can be accessed by many people. The word massive means large number or amount. Open means accessible to all. Online means connected to or available through a system, and course means the act of moving in a path from point to point. There are MOOCs that provide certificate of completion of the students. Most of them do not count for college credit. Massive Open Online Course or MOOC was invented in 2008 by Dave Cormier from the University of Prince Edward Island for a course offered by the University of Manitoba, Connectivism and Connective. The two types of MOOC are Extended MOOC and Connectivist MOOC. The extended MOOC are based on traditional university course structures and make use of established teaching approaches and materials. And Connectivist MOOC are based on the connectivist learning model that favors collaboration among learners as form of active learning. Advantages of MOOC or Massive Open Online Course. Relaxed requirements. MOOC can be taken by anyone who is interested in the subject matter and able to access the course, regardless of age, background, or location. Video format availability. Teaching in a modern video format, not just text like those that you find in other e-learning courses. Accessibility. Learning content from the top university like Harvard, Stanford, etc. can be opened through online format. Repetition. An MOOC will often run 2 or 3 times a year, ensuring that students would not miss their chance. Feasibility. An MOOC usually requires 1 to 2 hours of study a week for about 5 weeks, making learning doable even for busy students. Self-paced. An MOOC enables students to work through the course materials and assessment at their own pace. Online collaboration. Learners across the globe work together on a common goals without the need to meet each other in person.